Sometimes you want a function to run and you don't necessarily need its results. You just need it to run and do its thing and maybe notify you when it's done. So, for instance, if you have to sanitize data from time to time and it's a very long running process and you want to run it every night on a specific time and you just need it to run, you don't need any response from it. You can also do that with a cloud code. We call that a cloud job. You just start it and it will do its thing. In order to do a cloud job, you have also to open your main.js file. And I'm creating a cloud job called reset score, which will, of course, reset the score for all the users. And this has some specific things about it. You just define it as a parse.cloud.job and give it a name, pretty much the same way we did with the cloud function above. And then you create a new parse query for the class that you want to operate in. And I'm finding the objects inside that class. Find, of course, is a success error blocked method. And for every result that I find in that query, I can run each keyword. And for every single one of the objects retrieved by that query, I'm going to try to destroy it. Destroy, once again, is a success error blocked operation. And what is very, very important here is once you are going to destroy data, you need to use this key here. Use master key as true. So this ensures that even if you call this cloud job at some point, if you lose control of your endpoints and someone can call it, they won't be able to destroy your data unless they pass the master key that is also in your server settings. So it's very important that you protect your master key, that you never share this with anyone except your trusted developers, because if they have your master key, they can actually destroy all your data. So the process, once again, is very straightforward. I just have my code here, and for every single object that I find, I'll try to destroy it and print a message. And once again, please don't forget to use master key equals true. I'm going back to my console and I'm going to do a back for app deploy and up all that code. And now I'm going to call that code with curl once again. The syntax is a little bit different. We're not expecting any results, we're not passing any parameters, so I don't have to put parameters here, and we're not expecting any results, so I don't have to have a content type as well. What I do need is change my parse REST API key to my new header xparse application ID. It's here. And let's get our master key. Oh, sorry, it's not my xparse application ID, it's my xparse master key, which is here. And then I can call my endpoint, which is https parse API back4app.com/jobs. Remember, we first use slash functions. This is /jobs, and my name of the job I just did is called reset score. So, oops, reset score. Once I call that method, I have an empty response because I'm not expecting any response. I just told parse to run that code. And if I go back to my dashboard, oops, you can see from here the score has 0 objects because all my scores were deleted, but my user is still there. I didn't delete any user, just the score. This is the way we call the call job to run from curl, but you can also come here and find our background jobs, and from here you can actually schedule a job to run to a certain time. For instance, let's say every midnight you want to sanitize your data, you can schedule from there to run on a specific time or a specific day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. This is all we had for today. I hope you like it, and as always, if you have any problems or any doubts, don't forget reaching us. You can come to our website. We have our chat. All our friends here at Back4App will be very helpful to help you with any issues you have. So see you on the next webinar, and bye.